Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Mohr M. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another very inspirational video for all of you. The video I bought for you today is about an Austrian humanitarian who was responsible for saving the lives of over 10,000 Jew and Serb women and children during World War II from Nazi concentration camps. Her name, Diana Ovexer. She, during World War II in Crotoria, was responsible for providing Jews, Serbs, women, and children with medicines, money, food, and also rescued them from the concentration camps and placed them with families outside so that they could be saved from getting exterminated. I will share more about her subsequently in the video, but let me share with you a brief about the channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I started this channel in May 2020, and in a short span of 1 year, 5 months, we've got over 625 subscribers and 70,000 viewers. Our mission is to ensure that the present and coming generations live by the eternal human principles. Coming back to our story, Diana Obexer. She was born on 15 January 1891 at Innsbruck in then Austria-Hungary. She married Julie Bully Salvejic in 1970. They had a relatively uneventful life till World War II broke out. When World War II broke out, Yugoslavia was annexed by the Axis powers and Nazi allied Crotoria set up a genocidal campaign against the Serbs and Jews. They set up multiple concentration camps throughout in Crotoria. After Jaina came to know about this and the way the children, Serbs, and Jews were being exterminated and ill treated in multiple labor camps, she decided to act and, along with her closest associates Marco and Duro, started relief campaign Action Budi Saljevic. She helped Serbian children and mothers in multiple death camps. Thereafter, she started her expansion from Camp Leborgrad to other concentration camps where she sent food, medicines, clothes, and money to the concentration camp inmates at Gon- Gonja Reykjavik camp and Davoko camp. She also helped at the railway stations, providing food, clothes, money, and medicines to Jews and Serbians on the way to German Nazi concentration camps. She was also responsible for helping many Jews and Serbs in hospitals with food, money, and clothes. July 14 in July 1942, with the assistance of conscientious Nazi German officer Gustav von Coxen, she moved children from the Stara Gradiska concentration camp, and then she expanded her activities to other concentration camp, and she was responsible for saving over 10,000 children, women, Jews, and Serbs from extermination. Post the war, the authorities did not look upon her too kindly, and she spent her time with her husband at Zagreb. Later, she moved back to her birthplace in Innsbruck and died on 20th August 1978. Posthumously, the Serbian Orthodox Church recognized her in 2013 and awarded her with the highest order of the Empress Milika. The government also, in 2012, awarded her the Golden Medal of Milos Obilic for courage and personal heroism. Friends, Diana, who is a mark, a standard for us on ensuring humanitarian, forgetting that that we belong to different religions and ethnics, but finally we are all human, and we must recognize that and aid in that. In the era of extermination of Jews and Serbs, she stood up, answered to her conscience, and ensured she helped Jews and Serbs, children and women escape and saved 10,000 plus lives. And the Serbs and Jews that she served with clothes, food, medicines is way about this number. Friends, I'm sure you enjoy these inspirational stories which I bring for you on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too are inspired. Till we meet again with another inspirational story, good luck, all the best, stay safe.